Welcome back to Ensign Equipment. I'm Andrew Hartline, Sales Manager here, and today we've got a short application spotlight video to talk with you about a side load dumper with safety cage assembly. So let's take a look. This unit behind me is a side load dumper, and I know you've probably, if you follow us, have watched probably one of our other videos about our regular dumpers, heavy duty dumpers, and our lift and dumps. Oftentimes, most predominantly, dumpers are loaded from the rear and then dumped away from the operator, but there are certain spatial requirements within plants where we're trying to wedge things in, or maybe there's just not enough room to do a typical dumper, and so for that application, we've got side load dumpers as an option in our arsenal, and that is a dumper that can be loaded from the side and then discharged either to the right or the left, pending which type of model that you purchase. So here's an example of one. It's pretty standard, cut and dry. It's got a safety cage with a swing door option and an auto package option included on it. These dumpers can be used to dump pellets, regrinds, powders, bottles, scrap material, blown scrap material. I mean, just a slew of different things, packages. Really anything that we can dump in our standard dumpers, we can dump in one of our side load dumpers. So I'll close the doors up here. We'll see this thing run, and we'll catch up with you at the end. That really kind of concludes the video. We showed you how it operated. It's pretty straightforward. I would say self-explanatory, but sometimes it's good to actually just see something like this run or get some pictures of it in your head. So hope this video was informative for you. If you've got any questions, feel free to leave them below or email us directly. If you've got any other information you're looking for, I encourage you to go to our website, ensignequipment.com, and I guess we'll see you on the next one. Thanks.